Welcome. If you're scrolling through Facebook on your PC and want to clean up your feed by unfollowing multiple pages, you've landed in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps for the new Facebook web update so you can quickly tune your experience without leaving your browser. First, open Facebook on your web browser and sign in if you're not already logged in. You'll want to be on your main newsfeed page so you can see where the changes live. At the top right corner, your profile photo sits beside a few quick access icons. Click that profile photo to open a small drop-down menu with options related to your account. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is your control center for how Facebook behaves, including what you see and how you engage with content. A new submenu will appear. Look for Content Preferences. This is where Facebook lets you tailor what fills your feed and which pages you're following. In Content Preferences, there's an option labeled Unfollow People and Groups. Click that to bring up a list of the pages and people you currently follow. You'll notice a clean layout showing the names and profile pictures of the pages you follow with an extra action icon next to each one. Now, it's time to unfollow. For each page you want to stop seeing in your feed, locate the icon next to the page you want to unfollow and click it. The icon looks like a small toggle or perhaps a tailored action button depending on your browser version. When you click it, you'll typically see a confirmation or a quick change indicating that the page is no longer filling your feed. Repeat this for every page you want to unfollow. A quick tip: if you're unsure about a page, you can open it in a new tab to review its content before deciding to unfollow. Taking a moment to verify ensures you keep pages that align with your interests and drop those that don't. That's all there is to it. With a few taps in the Content Preferences area, you can refine your Facebook experience on desktop and reclaim a cleaner, more relevant feed.